there were so many reasons why I ended up going with Haven as a company. I aligned with so many things that they stood for. Number one that caught my eye was that they're a Canadian company, and I love to support local. If I can buy Canadian or buy locally, I will. I align with so many other things that Haven does as a company. I love that every mattress is made to order. I love that they use plant-based high quality materials in their mattresses. This is the Haven Hybrid Luxe Pillow Top king-sized mattress. A little bit of an upgrade from the trailer mattress. For the last 15 years, I've been a contractor on HGTV. I also run my own company that invests in real estate and does some pretty interesting flips, like the house that I'm sitting in right now, which is a 170-year-old farmhouse that I just completed. This is Taz. He's awesome. He is one of my best friends. Yes, I'm that crazy cat girl that never expected to have a cat, but now I have a cat, so I am a cat person. And Taz and I have been sleeping on this brand new Haven Hybrid Luxe Pillow Top mattress for the last couple of months, waiting to give this review and testimonial until we knew that we loved the product. And we're here now, so we obviously do. What do you think, Taz? Blink once if you love it. Oh, see? Although this is a pillow top, so it's super comfortable, Havens are built for support. And obviously when you're sleeping, you need support and you don't want to feel like you're sinking into the mattress. So this is the best of both worlds for me. I wake up feeling refreshed. It is super comfortable and cushy. Is cushy a word? And you sleep well at night because the mattress is incredible, but you also sleep well at night because you know that you're investing in a company that is investing in community. So if you're looking for a mattress or anything to do with upgrading your sleep, go check Haven out. Taz and Kate approved.